As a product person or founder, your job is to build great products. And one of the most important things to do there is to listen to users and market needs. And often the inspiration and customer voices can come from anywhere, anytime, be it by reading articles, watching videos, browsing on social media, or like here, reading your emails. And in almost all the cases where you want to capture those ideas, you have to break your flow because you have to copy-paste them into other applications. In this video, I want to show you how you can use Memex to capture anything from bug reports or feature requests and testimonials without breaking your flow and without context switches. And on top of that, I'm going to show you a hack on how you can make your users turn into superfans. First of all, you can annotate anything anywhere. Be it, for example, emails, on blogs. You can make timestamp notes on YouTube videos. And even local or web-based PDFs. Every page or annotation you save can also be added into spaces, which are a bit like tags, but with the difference that you can also share them with other people or collaboratively curate them with your team. So for example, I'd add this one here to a space I call feature requests, nested spaces, where I collect all of the people and voices that wanted this feature. And now if I want to get all of these back, I can go to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard, I can full text search everything I saved. And also I can call up the spaces I created. Here, for example, about nested spaces, and find all of the feature requests and voices that I've collected here. And so now one hack I found to turn our users into superfans is because I have these lists, I can now reach out to them once those features are done. And people loved it. It was such a great way to show them that I care and listen to their feedback. And lastly, the question is, how do you get stuff out of Memex? Because oftentimes you will need the pages and annotations that you created somewhere else. And for that, you have two options. One is we have an integration with Obsidian, Logseek, and Readwise that automatically sync those highlights and pages, etc. to your note-taking applications. Or you can use our customizable copy-paster. The customizable copy-paster allows you to copy and paste content out of Memex in a format of your choice. You can design it yourself, and then it copy-pastes search results, pages, and annotations in a format of your choice. And as I mentioned before, you can also share those spaces with other people. You can invite them either with a private link where only people with specified access can read them or contribute to them, or you can invite people via email, or you can make them shared, which means everyone who has access to the link can also see the content of those spaces. And for all of that, they don't have to have Memex installed, they just open the link. This was a short video on how you can use Memex to build better products and turn your users into superfans. I hope you enjoy, and let me know if you have any feedback. Thank you so much.